This is video 3, and we're going to solve number 1 on your note sheet. How much heat is absorbed? So those two statements are really important. Heat tells us we're looking for kilojoules, and absorbed tells us it's endothermic. Endothermic is going to tell me my answer is going to be positive. During a photosynthesis reaction, and 9.22 grams of glucose is produced. So I like to circle the compound I'm dealing with in my thermochemical equations, and I also like to circle my value, and I call this my mole energy value. Remember the numbers in front, the coefficients that we placed when we were balancing are our moles in a reaction. So we always start a dimensional analysis problem with a number given in the problem, so 9.22. Let's make that decimal more significant. Grams of glucose. And I don't want grams anymore. So since I don't want grams anymore, I'm going to put that in my denominator. C6H12O6. And then now I got to actually calculate my molar mass. Remember, molar mass, you're going to add up your atomic masses. So 12.01 times 6, 1.01 times 12, 16.00 times 6. And that will get you 180.18 grams. And that grams is equal to 1 mole of glucose. Now, moles isn't the unit I'm desiring. If the question said how many moles, then I would be done. But the question is asking how much heat or how many kilojoules are absorbed. So I got to keep on going. So I look at my reaction, and what is the value in front of glucose? The value in front of glucose, since there is no number, is a 1. So I have 1 mole of glucose in my reaction, and I'm going to set it equal to my energy in that reaction, 2,803 kilojoules. And then I'm simply going to multiply my numerators, multiply my denominators, and divide, because remember this is a big giant division sign. When you do that, you're going to get, or you should keep, 3 sig figs. So your answer is going to be 143 kilojoules. Positive kilojoules. Positive because it's endothermic. And then remember, we always box or circle our final answer. And this is endothermic, just to emphasize. Now this was video 3, going over problem number 1 on your note sheet.